We have studied what is meant by limiting reactant. Now we have to calculate the mass of non-limiting reactant left unreacted. For that one, we have to take another example of the numerical having limiting reactant. Now, next example for this numerical. 15 grams of calcium carbonate are allowed to react with 7.3 grams of HCl. Calculate mass and volume of carbon dioxide gas produced. Also calculate mass of non-limiting reactant left unreacted. In order to solve this numerical problem, step 1, 2 and 3 are same as that of previous numerical. In order to find the mass of non-limiting reactant, that will be an extension. First of all, balanced chemical equation, calcium carbonate plus HCl to form calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Data mass of calcium carbonate 15 grams, mass of HCl 7.3 grams, mass of carbon dioxide gas produced, volume of carbon dioxide question mark, and mass of non-limiting reactant left unreacted question mark. With respect to data, now we have to solve the solution, we have to solve the numerical, hence solution. With respect to step 1, step 1 to find number of moles, we have to apply the formula mass in gram divided by molar mass. Dividing the column in two parts, here we write for calcium carbonate, here we write for HCl, whose mass is given, mass of calcium carbonate is given, and mass and volume of carbon dioxide, these are asked. With respect to balanced equation, 1 mole of calcium carbonate combines to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of calcium carbonate will produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now, to find number of moles, mass of calcium carbonate 15, molar mass 100, answer obtained, that is 0.15 moles. Similarly, number of moles of HCl, number of moles are equal to 7.3 divided by 36.5, answer obtained is 0.2 moles. Now, after applying step 1, we have to apply step 2. applying stoichiometry, we have to make the relationship, make a quantitative relationship between given and asked with respect to balanced chemical equation. For calcium carbonate, with respect to balanced chemical equation, we can see 1 mole of calcium carbonate that is producing 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and hence 0.15 moles will produce carbon dioxide. 1 into 0.15, 0.15 moles. Here for HCl, HCl versus carbon dioxide, with respect to balanced equation, 2 moles will produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Hence, 1 mole will produce half and 0.2 moles will produce half into 0.2, 0.1 mole. As HCl is producing least moles of HCl, hence is the limiting reactant, and number of mole of carbon dioxide produced will be equal to 0.1 mole. Now applying step 3, we can find mass of carbon dioxide gas produced by applying formula number of moles into molar mass. Hence 0.1 into 44, 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide gas will be produced, and volume of carbon dioxide by applying formula number of moles into molar volume. Number of moles are 0.1, molar volume is 22.414. Answer obtained now is 2.2414 cubic decimeter. Now, how can we find the mass of non-limiting reactant left unreacted? In order to find this one, we have to make the relationship between limiting reactant and non-limiting reactant, and we will find how much amount of the non-limiting reactant is used by limiting reactant. Limiting reactant versus non-limiting reactant. We know that our limiting reactant, that was hydrochloric acid, and non-limiting reactant, that is calcium carbonate. Balanced chemical equation says that 2 moles of HCl will combine with calcium carbonate 1 mole, hence 2 mole of HCl will need calcium carbonate 1 mole, and 1 mole that will need 1 by 2 mole. As number of moles of HCl, these are 0.2. Now 0.2 moles of HCl will use calcium carbonate how much? Answer obtained, that is equal to 0.1 mole. Now we have to convert these moles into mass of calcium carbonate. Now, mass of calcium carbonate, these are obtained as we know the formula, mass is equal to moles into molar mass. Therefore, number of moles into molar mass. Number of moles are 0.1. Molar mass of calcium carbonate there is 100. Answer comes 10 grams. Therefore, 7.3 grams of HCl will use calcium carbonate 10 gram. But the mass given there is 15. Hence, mass of calcium carbonate left unreacted there is equal to given mass minus used mass. Mass of calcium carbonate given with respect to numerical, these are 15 grams minus number of mass of calcium carbonates used during the reaction, that is 10 gram minus 10. Hence answer obtained is 5 grams. Therefore, 5 grams of calcium carbonate will left unreacted. In this way, you can find the mass of non-limiting reactant left unreacted in a chemical reaction. Thanks.